Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. As you can see, I have a box in front of me. A company called Simfonio sent me their pressure cooker to do review for you guys. It's called Simpot. So we are going to open and see how it is, and I'm also going to share one recipe with you. So let's get started. So here is the Simfonio Super Smart, and are the options: 10-in-1 smart cooking program, and it has a bigger LCD screen. So let's open it. Alright, so we have a customer service card, which we don't need, and then we have an extra gas kit. It's big. Alright, so this is how our pressure cooker is looking, as you can see. And now we are going to open it. Alright, so let's open this. As you can see, this is a vent. So it's sealing and venting. So this is a lid, and then what we have inside is I think it's utensil. So let me open it. So kind of special, and ladle and a measuring cup, so like utensil. And then we have here is tiny silicone glove or mittens. Cute. Okay, that's that. And what we have here is a bucket. It's a really good size bucket, and it has a silicone handle, so if it's hot, it's gonna help you to protect your hands. And it has a thing on the bottom, so you can, if you need to put water or something in it, you can do it. And this is really good. Big size bucket. This will be really good for steaming vegetables. And then booklet, a specification booklet. This I don't need to open that. So that, and then at the end we have bucket, which goes in here, and it's pretty good size. It's 6-liter max. I order 8 quart, so that's why it's kind of a little big. The measurement both sides, cups and the liters, so it's like 14 cups, and then from the outside also you can view it. And nice thick bottom, so it's good. Alright, so from the side, this is how it looks. It's a big LED screen, and then there are some buttons around it and the dial. So once I turn it on, I'll show you. Alright, so here today we are going to try the black bean chili. So I'm gonna follow the direction and see how that works. So for that, I have prepared some ingredients which I use normally when I make chilies. Some chopped zucchini, tomatoes, cilantro that I still need to be chopped, And then here I have chopped bell peppers, onions, garlic, and green chilies. And here I have some black beans and some seasoning that I will be using into this chili recipe. So let's get quickly started. If you really need this recipe in detail, I already have a shared video for this chili recipe on my channel, so you can go back and look the full recipe, detailed recipe over there. Here I'm just gonna do a quick recipe just to review this Simpot. As you can see, as soon as I plugged in, it beeped. It says off. I think you have to turn the dial, and there it is. So there is a pressure, high, medium options. Then there are like bean chilies and soup, and porridge cake, eggs, slow cook rice, pressure cook, saute, steam, and yogurt, and poultry. So now you can, as you dial this, it's gonna change. So as you can see, it's going down. Now it's on egg, slow cook, rice, pressure cook. So right now we are gonna do a saute. Once you're at the saute option, you want to press this to select that, and then it's gonna flash the timing, so you can do a timing according to. So I'm just gonna do 10 minutes for now. We just don't need to do a lot saute here. So I'm gonna press. So now it's preheating, and meanwhile we're gonna get ready with our seasoning that we need. So I have washed it really nicely before I use it. A little bit of oil into it, and then I'm gonna add garlic into it. And as you can hear, it's sizzling already. It's still preheating. It's really hot. As you can see, the garlic has started turning brown already. So now that's all. I'm just going to dump all my ingredients into it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And just a little bit of cumin powder. Optional, but it brings out really nice flavor. Okay, now I'll add my green zucchini. And tomatoes. If I cook this on my gas stove, then I make sure I saute really nicely, and I have to simmer it for like at least 30 to 40 minutes. But since I'm going to use this pressure cooker option, like bean chilies, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to add a little bit of taco seasoning. You can adjust all the seasoning according to your preference. A little bit of chili flakes, optional if you don't like it, omit it. A little bit of chili powder, mix it. And now I'm going to add my black beans into it. I used 2 cans, and I reserved some water from the cans, so I'm gonna add that. And I'm going to add water. Alright, so I have added enough water to it. So now we're done with sauteing. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you. Alright, so over here, I'm going to press cancel. So now it's off. And then I'm going to this. And now here it says, I'm just going to follow the direction here, what it says. So here I have to go to bean chilies right there, select it, and then I have to go for 20 minutes. and it says preheating. We are going to close the lid, close it, and it's gonna make that sound. And once you do that, you want to make sure this venting is on, sealed, not venting, otherwise it's going to take out all air. So you want to make sure it's always on seal. And as you can see, it's preheating here. I'm just going to wait, and once it's ready, I'll come back and show you. Alright, so my chili is done cooking, and I let it sit for, as you can see, it's about 40 minutes. It's no air coming out because I could let it cool down. And now we are going to open and see. And it stays in a keep form, I forgot to mention that, so your food stay hot. Oh, you go. And you can put, there is a thing you can put your lid there. And there is my chili looking delicious. Alright, so my delicious chili is ready, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel.